In recent years, Shillong has earned a reputation as a vibrant cultural hub celebrated for its deep musical roots and artistic expressions. Recently, Jia Singh, a 22-year-old young and talented drummer from Shillong, performed in front of the Prime Minister of India in Mumbai. Music runs deep in her veins and her journey began at just 6 years old. Here's a report.
Mother's encouragement, Jia's passion for drumming only grew stronger. She dedicated herself to practice, honing her skills and exploring other instruments. Her hard work paid off, earning her recognition in numerous competitions, including the prestigious Symphony of India event. Recently, Jia represented Shillong at the Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 in Mumbai, showcasing her talent to a global audience.
साथियों, कुछ ही दिन बाद मुंबई में वर्ल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल एंड एंटरटेनमेंट समिट यानी वेव्स 2025 का आयोजन होने जा रहा है। इस आयोजन के केंद्र में भी देश के युवा है।
So I went for Symphony of India. It's in the day national. It's coming every day. So I was a runner-up over in there, and I came for Bollywood ka ticket, and I was in Battle of Band, top 8 from 200 bands. My band was in top 8, top 8. So now I went for the Wave also. In Wave, lots of celebrity was there. Even the PM Modi was there. We performed in front of PM Modi. So we got a trophy. We got like so many things, and I went there for representing Shillong.
With her band G-Shop, Jia dreams of performing on larger national platforms like India Got Talent. We wish Jia all the best and hope she continues to bring pride to Shillong through her music. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.